everybody, how you guys doing? I'm on my way to get my bike service and MOT today. So I thought, why not do a video? I never did a video for a while. I think the last time I did a video was about my granddad. And if you can't hear my bike, I put the baffle in because I want my bike to pass the MOT, so I had to put the baffle in. I don't know if I could fail the MOT if the baffle was not in, so I didn't want to take the chance. It's good to be back on Rex, it's good to be on the bike, and also to enjoy the sun and the lovely weather. I also like to say thank you for the people with the condolence about my granddad passing. I'm still trying to, just trying to sort myself out because of him's not there at the house. It's just trying to get used to it. I'm trying to process myself to get to know that he's gone. Some of you have asked me, because some of you have met me before, asking will there be any future content. There will be future content. I don't know about off-roading, because I would love to do off-roading again. We go on the byways. I did discover a lot of byways, but it's depend on Rex. She can do the miles. As I was saying, there was couple of byways that I discovered, but the problem is it's just Rex with the mileage. I wish there was a bigger tank for Rex, and if it was a bigger tank, maybe, I don't know, I'd probably say maybe 14 litres. I don't know how it will look like in 14 litres of a supermoto, and just to go off-roading, to be off-roading a bit longer, but yes, I would love to go back out on the byways. I wanted to get myself a second camera. What some of you are going to be asking is, why did you get rid of your GoPro? The reason why I got rid of my GoPro, because it was just doing my head in. It was just doing my head in. The batteries just keep on dying quick. I have to change it over and that, and it just brought so much headache having that GoPro. And then when I got the drift, everything was alright. There wasn't a lot of problems with the GoPro. I mean, the drift. And I wish I got the drift first instead of the GoPro. Because when everybody brags about saying the GoPro is awesome and that, you go with a crowd and get the GoPro. It's like same thing with people who say, Intel. If you see commercials of Intel and loads of computers is got Intel processors in the computer, you go with Intel because Intel is the most common and popular thing. Like AMD back then, I'd never seen commercials on TV about it. So yeah, but if I just did my research properly, I would have gone with drift. And right now I'm actually glad to get out of Doncaster. I wanted to get out of Doncaster for so long, and it's like the only time that I'll get out of Doncaster like properly if a friend needed help with their computer, or they're building a computer and they've got certain problems, and they needed help, or they want me to build it for them. But yeah, they give me a bit of money for fuel. Oh, they changed this place a lot. As I was saying, yes, they give me money for fuel to get there, and it's not bad. It's just that the fact that when there's no proper money coming in, like say every week, so you got to be careful of how much you spend. You also have to be careful like food and other things. But yeah, now that I'm out of the shared house, but living in my grandparents' house, it is, I feel more relaxed, even though I need to like do stuff in the house. That's the most important thing, is doing stuff in the house. I don't just live there like, oh, I live out at my grandparents' house. I need to do stuff like look after my grandma, help her to go to the toilet and that, put stuff in the washing machine, clothes in the washing machine, wash up dishes and plates and all that stuff. And I'm glad to do that. My mum keep on reminding me that when I was a kid, I'd turn around to my grandma and granddad and say, you know, when you get really old, I will look after you. And you know what, I'm glad that I'm doing that, looking after them. They look after me when I was a kid. They put up with me when I was a kid. To be in that house, it's just awesome. Just bring back memories, the good times. And the best thing about it, it's quiet. Well, not too quiet, you know, my grandma sings. Well, she does now, she sings. Sometimes she sings church songs and etc. Like, and also if I'm cooking food and the carer comes to cook their food as well, sit with her, have lunch with her. When I finish my dinner, and when she finished her dinner, I'd take her plate and then ask her if she wants a cup of tea. Sit down, have a cup of tea, and that. Maybe watch a bit of TV, and then I just go and do my business. Because there'll be a time where I always have a cup of tea. Sometimes I always have herbal tea, because I drink herbal tea. If it's good taste, I drink herbal tea. My favourite one is lemon. I try to stay away from sugar and just have honey. But herbal tea and honey is much better than having natural sugar. I don't know if any of you are on my Instagram that I went to the gym, trained my calves, trained like mad. It's good to be back at the gym, because I think like in, what was it, 2000, I think in 2000, and I think I was it 11 or 12 that I went to the gym, and I was just literally just training like mad, and I had some friends was like, yo, you're getting massive. I'm like, what? I don't even look massive, but they said that I was really massive, like I put on a lot of muscle. And I'm scratching my head and like looking at myself in the mirror like, I don't look huge. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. But I guess that people can see it, but you can't see it. And I remember that a time that my push bike was like heavy, and I remember I was struggling was one of my first bikes, one of my BMX, and it was a heavy one. I couldn't lift it up, and then when I went to training and did weightlifting, I was like, what? I used to struggle with picking this up. And now I don't. Thank goodness I went to do weight training. Oh, I miss these roads. I miss these roads so much. I miss the byways around here. There's one byway I have not been to. I can't remember where it is. Just a short byway. I think it's somewhere along here. And it's just a short byway, and I was thinking about doing it, but mine says what's the point, it's short. I'll be lucky if I get like a 2 mile, or a mile, sorry. I'll be lucky to get a mile. Yeah, there's a byway there, and there's a byway there, which is a little bit past it. And then I think there's one road, it's a dirt road, around here. And I was gonna go on the road, but I think I took the wrong turn. And I said to myself, oh, I swear it was here. I looked on Google Maps when I got home, and I was like, yep, wrong road. So yes guys, you will see more content, but you have to give me some time to do videos, because there'll be a time where I won't be on the bike, and there'll be a time that I will be on the bike. And also I have to be careful of money. But I'm not going to be on universal credit for long, because I'm going to be a carer for my grandma, obviously, that you already know that. So obviously I will get care allowance. And good news as well, that the shed will get done next week. I think today it's Wednesday the 17th, so hopefully it will get done next week. My bike will be in the new shed, all my stuff will be moved to my grandparents, and I'll be out of that shared house. So no more music banging at stupid clock, no more shouting, screaming and other sorts, just no more drama. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you find this video entertaining, and if you do, you guys know what to do. Give it a thumbs up if you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. And don't forget guys, if you want armor, nice cushy armor for your jeans or your motorbike jacket, there's a link down in the description called Broskins. Go and take a look. Go and take a look at that armor, because I'm going to get myself some new armor soon. Some new paddings, and I can't wait. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Later.
Like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come